Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question, square root of 217 minus x equal to x minus 7, and we have to solve this equation for the value of x. So let's start the solution of this question. So first of all, we will take square on both sides of the equation. So square root 217 minus x all square equal to x minus 7 all square. So this square will cancel this square root, and here we will use a minus b all square formula. So overall the equation will become 217 minus x like this, and equal to here a minus b whole square equal to a square minus ab, minus 2ab, basically minus 2ab. So 2 into 7 equal to 14, and this a. So overall this will become minus 14x, and plus b square. So b is 7, so 7 square equal to 49. So overall this equation will become x square minus 14x plus 49 after expanding this. So now we will take all the constant and variable aside. So this will become x square minus 13x, because when we send this minus x on other side of the equation, so this will become plus x. So minus 14x plus x, overall it will result as minus 13x, and this plus 49, when we send this on other side of the equation, minus 217, so this will become minus 168, which is equal to 0. So x square minus 13x minus 168 equal to 0, and now this is a quadratic equation. So let's try to factorize this equation. So if we factorize this into minus 21 and plus 8, x square minus 21 x plus 8 minus 168 equal to 0, because minus 21 plus 8 equal to minus 13. So minus 13x, and if we multiply minus 21 plus 8x, so it will become 168x squared. So both the conditions are satisfied. So we can factorize this equation in the form of like this. Now here in these two terms we have x as common, and in these two terms we have 8 as common. So let's take the common factors. So here x is common. So after taking x is common, the remaining will be x over here, and here we will have 21, and plus 8. After taking 8 is common from here, so the remaining will be x and minus 21, which is equal to 0. Now in these two factors, one is this and one is this, we have x minus 21 is common. So let's take this x minus 21 as common. So after taking x minus 21 as common, the remaining will be x over here and plus 8 over here, which is equal to 0. So now x minus 21 into x plus 8 equal to 0. Now we will compare these two factors one by one with 0. That is x minus 21 equal to 0 and x plus 8 equal to 0. So this equation will become x minus 21 equal to 0 and x plus 8 equal to 0. And now we will send this minus 21 on other side of the equation. So this will become x equal to 21, and we will send this plus 8 on other side of the equation. So this will become x equal to minus 8 like this. So x equal to 21 and x equal to minus 8. So we have these solution set of the given question. But before deciding this, let's try this two solution, and we will verify. So let's verify. So verification when x equal to 21. So this was our original question, square root of 217 minus x equal to x minus 7. So we will put x equal to 21 in this equation. So let's put this. So 217 minus 21 equal to x minus 7. So 21 minus 7. And now this will become square root of 196, because 217 minus 21 equal to 196, and 21 minus 7, 21 minus 7. So 21 minus 7 equal to 14, and square root of 196 is also equal to 14. So 14 equal to 14, it means that this value is verified. So it means that x equal to 21 is our real solution of this question. Now let's test this equation for the other value, which is equal to minus 8. So we will put this x equal to minus 8 in this equation. So let's put this. So 217 minus and minus 8 in place of x and equal to x minus 7. So we will place minus 8 in place of x and minus 7. So this 217 minus, when multiplied with minus, it will become plus. So 217 plus 8 equal to 225, and this minus 8 minus 7 equal to minus 15. So the square root of 225 equal to 15, and which is not equal to minus 15 on the other side of the equation. So 15 is not equal to minus 15. Therefore, this is not verified. It means that this x equal to minus 8 is an extraneous root. So minus 8 is an extraneous root. So it means that we have the solution set of this equation overall. The solution set is 21, and 21 is the real solution of this question, and x equal to minus 8 is the extraneous root. So this was the solution of this question. I hope you will have understand. Anyway, if you have any kind of question, so you can ask me in comment section. With this, if you like this video, so please also subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Tata.